In our way of communicating, one of the worst flaws is to take for granted that our interlocutor knows the meaning of the terms we use. In the video we are going to see, this defect is highlighted, even if in an exaggerated way.
Colombo, have we already found it?
Almost more. Leonardo da Vinci. Pass.
Leonardo da Vinci? The one with the beard and long hair? I say, oh, do we have to talk or not? We need this and this. Do you want to build it?
No, imbecile. He doesn't give a damn. You have to go there and he has to understand that we are two scientists. You have to be curious. We have to say things, that he is dismayed. We are two scientists. We know many things, only scientific things. Do you remember or not?
You think we know and they don't. But 9 by 9 will make 81.
Enough. With Leonardo it's over.
But why doesn't 9 by 9 make 81?
Leonardo da Vinci the multiplication tables? Scientific things. Science. Make me talk. Shut up. In orange there is vitamin C.
This scene, taken from the movie We Just Have to Cry. It was taken, not so much to recall the cart we talked about, but because it gives a fairly clear picture of what is the relationship between the school shop of the past and the school of today. The characters, for those who have not seen the film, are a janitor and an elementary school teacher, who have found themselves back in time. And as we shall see, they try to impose themselves on someone who perhaps knows more than they do.
Let's go to the study tent.
This scene, taken from the movie We Just Have to Cry. It was taken not so much to recall the cart we talked about, but because it gives a fairly clear picture of what is the relationship between the school shop of the past and the school of today. The characters, for those who have not seen the film, are a janitor and an elementary school teacher, who have found themselves back in time. And as we shall see, they try to impose themselves on someone who perhaps knows more than they do.
To us they would be like, sorry, to say, we for our part put ideas, no? We work with intelligence, sorry, you build. That is, so much you have one thing, everything that comes out in the end, that is, you put an article that goes well, that meets us, for heaven's sake, it is divided at 50%, that is 33 is the same as everyone, better to make it clear, because after they happen. Look at him, he explains to you.
So how much of these inventions do we have on file? For you, do people go on foot or go on horseback? It is not true that you go on foot and on horseback. There is also another way that worked. How? By train.
Train.
Good. Then the train. The train is built like this. Leonardo. 2 tracks. Easier than that you die. But long. But you can also get to Africa. Don't worry. If it ends, it's a dead track. Go then. Can you build 2 pieces of iron? 2 pieces of iron? Of iron. Of hard iron. 2 pieces of iron with some wood inside. Okay. Go with these pieces of iron where you like. Bend when there is to bend. Go up. Go down. Leonardo, look, now I'm drawing. I draw worse than you. Sorry if I allow myself. So here, za and za. Here is the track made, and above it is the train, all made of iron. Puffing smoke, sif, etc.
Train.
How does this train go? The wood is thrown into the boiler. The heat develops energy. Therefore the train goes.
Then also the fireplace goes.
Good. No. The fireplace is not working. Why? Okay.
No, because there is a different mechanism.
Throwing wood, it moves. It moves throwing wood, even with the current. But that's another thing. Then, per hour, this we said. The worker, Marx and the worker. The capitalist exploits the worker. Who does not know that he is a worker? Class consciousness. A strike is to strike. Oh, how much you want me to work? The strike takes. Look. Freud says this tablecloth, is that there is. Freudian slip. You liked your mom. Complex of Oedipus. Freud, there is the unconscious. Inside you there is the unconscious.
Sorry, Leona, look at me for a moment. A simple, very easy thing. Thermometer, the thermometer, easy no? The thermometer is a thing of glass, mercury, and all the numbers inside. It serves to see if you have a fever. You put it under or in your mouth. Then if the mercury reaches 35, weak. Look at me, 35 weak, 36 normal, they are all dashes. 36 and a half, 36 and 4, you can have, 37 less, a normal 36, 37 well, look at me, 37 red.
Already red.
My sister had it.
37 red, a little fever, 38 still a little more fever, 38 you have to stay home, it's not that you get cold, it's one thing. 39, 40, 41, 42, very large, severe, obviously one size, how much is it? 39, for charity, hospital, and it serves that it can heal something.
35.
Right, 35, weak, I don't feel like doing anything.
38.
38, Leonardo. 38 told you before. 38 is a fever. 38 has a fever. Okay. Thanks, Leonardo. Come on, there is no way, whether we like it or not. If you want to stay, I'm leaving.
Listen to me, Leona, let's do something calmly, if we put it, eh? The traffic light?
Note that, unlike the teacher, the janitor has much more patience to explain, to try to recover, for professional deformation. The pupils who are not doing very well.
Did you understand? No, don't tell me yes I understand, and then you don't understand anything, because if you tell me I don't understand, I'll explain it to you again. But don't do what you understood or not?
I understand.
I understand, but I see the face that is not good. Well then, let's try. The first rule is fine. Be careful, take 40 cards. Tada, melee, put here.
I understand.
Cheat, which one says I raised? 3 cards to you, 3 cards to me and on the ground. Attention, look Leona, do not make me. On the ground there is 7 beautiful. Ace of money and 8 of swords. You are holding 8 clubs in your hand. What are you doing?
7 handsome and ace of money.
Then you saw that you did not understand anything, and you say yes, I understand, but I told you that if it is 8 on the ground, you cannot take 7 and 1 8, you must necessarily take 8.
But why?
My mom, because it's a rule of the game, which says so, you can take it.
Come on, go on.
My mom, don't even fuck her.
Goodbye, master.
Goodbye, master, though, my mom.
Undoubtedly, in the film everything is exaggerated, but the fact that we speak of exaggeration means that there is a reality, and we all saw it.